So, hi everyone, we are Omar Rodriguez, Gabriel Cañon, and me, Carlos Valero. And today we're going to show you the final project for SCADA and industrial controllers. It's a subject from the mechanical engineering major in the National University of Colombia. So this image right here summarizes the whole final project, and it's just missing a little part, the first part, where we use factory IO and we choose a specific scene in the software to recreate. So that's the first part. The second part here is using Studio 5000 to create a program that gave us a solution for that specific scene, or just recreate the scene. Then we download the program to a PLC Allen Bradley in the university. For that, we used a VPN, also provided by the university. And then we use Node-RED local and Node-RED cloud to communicate the hardware, in this case the PLC, to online services. And we also used the Node-RED dashboard to manage and control our scene. As I said, I'm going to show you this scene in the program Factory IO. That's the scene that we choose. It's a pretty basic scene. So it's a sorter by weight. So different objects are deployed here in this first conveyor. Then the objects get here in this conveyor that is also measuring its weight, the weight of the objects. And then in this single conveyor, the objects get divided in three different conveyors. So if the weight of a specific object is greater than 6 kilograms, it's going to the right conveyor. If the weight is between 3 and 6 kilograms, it's going to this middle conveyor, this conveyor in the middle, and its weight is less than 3 kilograms, is going in this way, in the left conveyor. So yeah, that's all. Also, we have here a specific display that show us the weight in real time of the object, and also three displays down here that show us the amount of boxes or elements that went on each of the conveyors. So the left conveyor, the conveyor in the middle, and the right conveyor. So yeah, that's basically all of this scene. The next step is the program that we created in ladder language. This is just ladder. But one interesting thing that we decided to use was implementing a structured text for the decision making here in this single conveyor. So we decided to use this type of language in order to test our skills. And also it was interesting mixing these two languages in two different routines in the same program. So it was fun. And then right here, as I said, we used local and cloud Node-RED. We use local and cloud Node-RED here to create the dashboard shown here. We use some buttons. We also we used functions to convert from bool to JSON functions, from JSON elements, sorry. And also we got different ways of display for the outputs and inputs that we wanted to manage and also manipulate. So here, as we see in this dashboard, the first thing that we wanted to show was the weight of the specific element that was in the weight conveyor right here. The second part is are some buttons here to start the whole scene, the whole process. This one to stop it, and this one reset all the counters on the displays. Also here, there are second displays that we can have on the dashboard. And last here is the state of the conveyors. So if it's on, if the conveyor is on, the light is green, but in this case, the conveyor is off. So obviously the light is red. So now we're going to start it. We're going to start the scene using the no red dashboard. So as we see, the weight is shown here in our dashboard. So for example, in this specific object is 2.5 kilograms. So its weight is less than 3 kilograms. So it's going to the left conveyor. So for example, in this big box, its weight is almost 8 kilograms. So it's going to the right conveyor, right? Again, 2.5 kilograms. This one is almost 4, 3.5. So yeah. Remember, this conveyor is for weights between 3 and 6 kilograms. And also we can see here the amount of boxes or elements that went on the left conveyor, that went in the middle conveyor, and on the right conveyor. Also, we can see here the state of the different conveyor. These three are on, while this one is off sometimes. You can see it right here. And also we can reset the counters, as I said, from here. Finally, we'll do it. So yeah, we can see it right here. And then other things that I want to show is this right here. We can see the state of the conveyors. I'm sorry. Here we can see the amount of boxes that went on each conveyor, and also we can see here, this is the time when we press the reset button right here, and the count start again. So yeah, so we can see here the specific time, and we can relate it with the amount of boxes in that time. So yeah, that's the main thing. And with that analysis and relation between the time and a specific amount of elements on each conveyor, we finish this project. And also we conclude this image.